So anyway, two other big things going on. Oh, by the way, thank you for being here. Horns up, Dusters. Horns up. We got a lot to be optimistic about. I'm going to tell you two other things that occurred to me at that very same swimming pool earlier, but things that we are optimistic about and can be very, very happy about right now. But remember, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial planner. I'm just a guy in his basement. It's an experiment, and it's blossomed into this, what it is today. So don't make any financial decisions based on anything I say. Don't get adopted, or don't adopt a puppy. Don't adopt yourself either. Get engaged, buy or sell anything, do anything based on anything that I say. And full disclosure, yes, big. Susie and I have a big investment in UFD. So our horns are aligned. And how did you get in my basement? I want to remind you of that very critical point. This is only possible because of your participation. Participate. Oh my gosh, we just came up with a new term. We call it participation, not participation. In UFD, we engage in participation. Somebody make a short video out of this. This is breaking news. I knew something big was going to happen today. We don't participate, we participate. Okay. Well, on that note, here's the two things that occurred to me. Are you feeling it, Dusters? Huh? The momentum is growing. When I say that, I refer to our community. And what I refer to are new people coming into our community. And the other thing that I felt so good about, okay, the momentum, the organic momentum is growing. The other thing is it's becoming blatantly obvious to me that you guys are absolutely, in a good way, crazy about UFD. You're putting in the work. Like your ad says all the time, right? Like the communities like us, I mean, you feel it? Like you guys are out there all the time. I can't even name all your names. So you name your name for yourself and then pat yourself on your horn. You're doing an unbelievable job. So when we look at the momentum that we're getting, and then on top of that, the willingness of you in this community, right, to exercise discipline, right? When motivation fails you, discipline does not. To me, it points towards just an unbelievable future. Let's go look at some. This is, and I'm going to give you some evidence. Right? Let's look at the evidence. This was from. This is actually not supposed to be on the screen, but since it is up, we'll talk about it. This is evidence of new people coming in. Remember, this guy bought. You see my yellow pointer. He bought 3,000. There were like 4 people a couple days ago, new people making significant buys of UFD. This is what we want to look at. And, hold on one second. Let's see if Susie's with us. Susie, are you here? Over.
I am over.
Okay, I'm having a little trouble.